Hi John, hi everybody. Today's question is how to seal your freezer. What about this? I'll try to ask John.
The other option would be to use an epoxy putty. In the United States, JB Waterweld is the go-to solution for that.
Thank you John for advice. Anyway, it's pretty hard to get this stuff to my country because I live in Central Europe. Therefore, I have another solution. Sodal Fix-All Crystal. It's pretty smart hybrid polymer which can be used for all surfaces. It keeps its properties from -40 to +50 degrees. And it's also very easy to use. You just need this tube, this gun, and let's do it.